Abu. Tell everybody hi. This is Tegan's new toy that she got. It's called an exerciser. She loves it. She can spin around. Huh. Give kisses. You want to give kisses? She loves her new toy. Tell everybody hi. Do you want to give kisses? Mwah. Tegan's giving kisses. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Tegan. Say bye-bye. 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 Tell everyone bye-bye. Love you.